Eating seafood is one of the most important elements of healthy living. My name is Chef Andrew Gruel. I'm the founder of Slapfish Restaurant. That's where we are right now in Huntington Beach, California, Surf City, USA. I'm the luckiest guy in the world because I get to be in the business of seafood and food, and serving people. I can't overemphasize the importance of seafood in my life. Healthy food isn't boring food. This is a fun dish. Eating seafood is one of the most important elements of healthy living, and I think that we forget about that. Especially types of seafood like tilapia where you've got high levels of selenium, zinc, vitamin B12. The Regal Springs Power Bowl is all about that quality of health but really good food. Starting this recipe, we're gonna poach the tilapia. Now poaching is very simple. It's nothing more than taking a liquid and bringing it up right to that point before it boils. And with a poaching liquid, you can create any flavor you want. In this particular poaching liquid, we're gonna add fresh thyme, fresh garlic, white wine, lemons, and the liquid, which is just the water. Bring that up right before a boil, and I'm gonna add my tilapia in there. That's gonna take about 8 to 10 minutes, and while that's cooking, we're gonna be able to build the rest of the bowl. I have my roasted sweet potatoes. We're just gonna gently saute those before we put them into the bowl. My quinoa, I steamed. I have baby spinach and baby kale. I'm gonna gently saute that. Fresh heirloom baby tomatoes, all different colors, and the colors correlate to the sweetness, so you're gonna get some really fun flavors within these tomatoes. Carrots are huge, especially when it comes to healthy, and a really fun preparation is to peel them lengthwise, almost as if they're carrot noodles. I'm gonna make the flax vinaigrette. In this case, I'm gonna use a little sherry vinegar, 3 parts extra virgin olive oil. Dijon mustard pulls the vinaigrette together so that it doesn't break. And then I'm gonna add some flax directly into that vinaigrette. I have freshly toasted almonds, which I'm gonna crush to garnish this dish with for both texture, nuttiness, and a lot more of that healthfulness. To plate the bowl, think about a clock. All the ingredients are gonna sit within their own hour. It's really almost a Cobb salad look because we wanna highlight and showcase all these great healthy ingredients right in there. Fresh heirloom tomatoes. Then I'm gonna move on to the kale and spinach, roasted sweet potatoes. I'm gonna add the tilapia in that quadrant of the bowl, quinoa. I'm gonna add a nice little ploche of the rainbow carrots, almonds, finish the whole dish off with a drizzle of the flax vinaigrette. The thing about this dish isn't just that it's healthy and it's drool worthy, but that it's got awesome texture. And that's why, right? You've got the crunch of the carrots, you've got the nuttiness of those almonds in there, the fresh bite of those greens, and then it all matches perfectly with that meaty, firm, sweet nature of that Regal Springs tilapia.